Greetings to all my dear patrons on this customer day. Union Bank of India today is a very large organization after amalgamation of Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank into Union Bank of India. Today we are a big institution with more than 9,500 branches, more than 77,000 employees and more than 12 crore customers. Again, thank you very much for banking with Union Bank of India. We went through two big events during the last few months. One was the amalgamation and other is the COVID-19 impact. I think during this period, I am very sure my people at branches and regional offices have helped you to the best of their possibilities to tide over the crisis. We came through, we introduced certain products like emergency line of credit, which is 10% of the limits to our customers initially, and then the government came with a guaranteed emergency line of credit, which is 20% of the limits. So with that hope, most of our business patrons are benefited. Today, as we look back, by last 6 months have been very eventful, very tough, and I am very sure that you and your family is safe and taking care of yourself. Similarly, please help my staff also to maintain the distancing so that they also remain safe and continue to serve you better. We took all the steps so that during the amalgamation period of Andhra and Corporation Bank into Union Bank, that our customers do not face any problem. All the 9,500 branches were interconnected on the day one, that is on 1st April, and all basic services were provided to all the customers irrespective of which bank they belong to. We rationalized all the products and rationalized all the interest rates so that there was uniformity across all the 9,500 branches in serving you. During this period, we have opened new regional offices, we have opened new processing centers so then we can come closer to you and serve you better. So this was tough time for everyone. Despite all that, your bank always was in the forefront to serve you better. So I am very sure you have not felt any difference in the service quality during this period, because all our people strive to serve you better even in the most difficult times. My dear customers, cyber security is a big challenge, particularly during this difficult period. Please register your mobile numbers if you are not already registered. Help us to send SMSs whenever it is required, particularly when there is operation in your account. Bank will never ask for your password or account number or any OTP numbers. So the persons who are out to cheat you, they will always in different guises call you that your card will be freezed, your account will be freezed, you need to do KYC updation, your loan will be restructured. Never respond to anyone, because we will never call you like that, and we will never ask for any data, because we have all your data with us. There is no necessity for us to ask over phone. Please don't fall prey to this kind of fraudsters, because ultimately it will impact everyone in the system, because digital is the way forward, but for being digital we need to follow certain cyber security rules, where the basic rule is not to share the password or any other OTP or any other data with anyone. So if you follow this hygiene, I think your money will be safe and all the systems will be protected. Similarly, during these periods, we are definitely looking forward for restructuring of the loans of the customers who are impacted by COVID. Please approach your branches for any help. We are always there to help you. So if there are any issues, particularly regarding servicing or any other loan related matters or account related matters, please get in touch with us. We are always there. So this customer day is being celebrated to recognize the contribution of the customers to the development of this great bank. Thank you.